Y'all see how quick and easy that was? I just hope this doesn't turn into an addiction. So baby, wig off. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching this video at. Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to a day in my life. I was off today, but I have a client who needs her wig by a certain day, so I decided to go ahead and do that. But then plus I had to record, so you'll see that video either before this one or after this one on how I did some highlights. Today's list, I'm just working on some wigs and I'm going to the grocery store. Doing some cleaning up. That's really all. Today is a chill day. This is my work shirt. Do y'all see? Yeah, that's how you know it's getting crazy. If you do hair, then you know that you gotta have certain clothes to wear when doing hair, because who got to be putting on like good clothes to color some hair? I'm going to attempt to take my camera in the store with me today, because Lord knows my anxiety. First things first, we are gonna wash this wig out. This is the wig I'm working on. I know she looks crazy. I have to go to the post office and it's raining so bad. Do y'all see this? It's gonna be raining all day long. I need to find me a new nail tech in Houston. So if y'all know any nail techs in Houston, let me know, because this is outrageous. Look at him. He's just always so excited to see mamas. Always so excited to see mamas. So yeah, I'm about to rinse out these wigs and get back to work. Literally just gonna throw some quick curls in the front because I'm just running errands today. I'm not trying to look all cute and stuff, but I do want to look presentable, so that's what we doing. Y'all see how quick and easy that was? And I look like somebody. This set is from Target. How cute. And I got all my New Balances. This is from Target too. This little chain set, these are from Target. This watch, I don't know where this watch is from. I'm about to feed my dog before I go. It's his lunchtime. I've been putting his food in this tray because my dog likes to just swallow everything whole. This is how it looks once it's in the little thing. But anyways, I'm about to get ready to go. My hair did not stand a chance. I don't have a list. I was gonna make a list, but I said, you know what? I'm just gonna go in there with good vibes. Let's hope it's not too many people in here, because I do got my camera today. So let's see what I can do. So I just got back home. I am hot. My wig is definitely wigging at this point. Like, my curls fell. I got rained on. I'm trying to carry all this stuff upstairs. So I got some Kool-Aid, got my water, apple juice for the win, orange juice, potatoes. I've never made like mashed potatoes, like actual mashed potatoes. I will snack all day and still eat. But I'm trying to get a little more healthy because I be eating hot Cheetos. I'm gonna make me some carne asada tacos. That can't be too hard to make. So I'll probably make that tomorrow. Some chicken breast. These are for my carne asada tacos. Some salmon is my go-to. I like salmon and rice a whole lot. Like I eat that every day and it's gonna hit every time. And some steak. I got me my breakfast bacon and my breakfast sausage. I got some cilantro and onion for my tacos. And did I get my lime? I hope they did. And my lime, because I like the lime juice on my tacos. Some grapes. I couldn't choose between which grapes to get. So I got those kinds. And then I got some bananas. Look how good, and oh my God. Look how wet. Hold on, y'all. Y'all gotta see this. Let me rinse it off first. See. Let's try the brown. No reason at all to get some Coke. What am I doing? And then I had one on the way home. I just hope this doesn't turn into an addiction. Like, if you know me, you know I do not drink acid drinks, but I don't know. I just wanted a Coke so bad, y'all. All right, so I just got done stocking my fridge. Remember to give God his glory, because having a stock fridge is definitely underrated. I really been eating on these grapes. I can't even keep the drawer closed, baby. That's how good them grapes are. Why is my dog? I'm about to wash these dishes and stuff before I get ready to cook.
I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching,
I just finished washing the dishes. Once I wash them, I put them in the dishwasher, and then I'll do like a rinse in the dishwasher, and then I'll put them up just to, you know, give it that extra It's no reason for this juice to be that good. So baby, I just got out the shower, feeling good, feeling fresh. Oh, took that wig off. Y'all already know I was gonna take that wig off. If you like dry, unsweet wine, you need to get this. Just finished eating. The food was chef's kiss. I don't know who TD Jakes is, but if you don't know who TD Jakes is, you need to recognize the GOAT. I hope you all enjoyed spending the day with me today, and thanks for tuning in. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please be sure to subscribe. We are on the road to 5K. We'll see you in my next video. Bye.